Ayan.
Basketball.
Kain na po kayo. Yes. Bodol fight, guys.
Every year na kayo, sa susunod naman na kayo sa Batangas.
Sa Batangas, ang layo no na.
Wala kang choice kundi kumagat. Wala kang choice kundi kumagat.
What is the taste? Delicious.
For me, fellows the fruit.
It's sweet. The taste is sweet? No. Slightly. Slight sweet. Do you enjoy Philippines much? You enjoyed Philippines with your perfect wife? Is that yeah.
Private pastor.
Pastora is very kind, gentle, and perfect wife.
She is my style.
Yes. And your friend, he finds already the one, his partner. You are also happy with him. Yes.
Delicious food sauce.
Ang ganda naman ng bottle fight. Pahingin din ng ano, let, pahingin ng ano yun, oh.
Hindi nila alam na kain ka.
Oo.
Sila Jubel.
Isa lang.
Sila Jubel. Naya ka nila. Ayun na, kumain kayo.
Kumain na kayo, walang hiyaya kayo. Sige na, kain na kayo.
Aware siya.
Unang tinitignan kasi nila yung Facebook mo. Ay nakita niya, lagi ako nasa church. Ganun yung nahanap ng babae. Pastora. Diba?